Islamic calendar starts from 622 AD, 624 AD, 620 AD, 627 AD, 622 AD. When Ghazwa Badr was fought, 624 AD, 625 AD, 627 AD, 620 AD, 624 AD. When Ghazwa Uhud was fought, 627 AD, 629 AD, 624 AD, 625 AD, 625 AD. When Ghazwa Khandaq Ahzab was fought, 629 AD, 627 AD, 624 AD, 625 AD, 627 AD. Hazrat Ali married with Hazrat Fatima in which Hijri? 1 Hijri, 2 Hijri, 3 Hijri, none of these. 2 Hijri. Al-Hudaybiyah Treaty was written signed by Hazrat Umar, Hazrat Abu Bakr, Hazrat Ali, Hazrat Usman, Hazrat Ali. What was the name of second wife of Hazrat Ali? Azra, Ummul Baneen, Asma bint Umair, none of these. Ummul Baneen. Which caliph first time established Majlis Shura? Hazrat Ali, Hazrat Umar, Hazrat Usman, none of these. Hazrat Umar. When Hajj became obligatory? 8 Hijri, 9 Hijri, 10 Hijri, none of these. 9 Hijri. How many times Salat was mentioned in Holy Quran? 690 times, 730 times, 700 times, 750 times, 700 times. Baitul Muqaddas was conquered in Hazrat Umar's time. 12 Hijri, 16 Hijri, 18 Hijri, 20 Hijri, 16 Hijri. Covers of Kaaba is called Kiswa, Barak, both A and B, none of these. Kiswa. Najashi became Muslim at the hand of Hazrat Jafar, Hazrat Usman, Hazrat Ali, none of these. Hazrat Jafar. Hazrat Muhammad gave the keys of Baitullah to Hazrat Ali, Hazrat Usman bin Talha, Hazrat Usman bin Affan, none of these. Hazrat Usman bin Talha. Who was the first Shaheed of Islam? Hazrat Yasir, Hazrat Abdullah, Haris bin Abi Hala, none of these. Hazrat Yasir. What was the original name of Abu Jahl? Amr bin Hakam, Salam bin Hakam, Ammar bin Hasham, none of these. Amr bin Hasham. Number of prophets whose names are in Holy Quran: 10, 25, 35, 45, 25. Who was called Abul Bashar Sani? Hazrat Adam, Hazrat Nuh, Hazrat Ibrahim, none of these. Hazrat Nuh al-Islam. The mountain would break by the miracle of Hazrat Yaqub, Hazrat Yunus, Hazrat Ishaq, none of these. Hazrat Yaqub. Who woke up again after sleeping for 100 years? Hazrat Saleh, Hazrat Musa, Hazrat Uzair, none of these. Hazrat Uzair. Who was the spoken son of Holy Prophet? Ibn Hashim, Saad bin Abi Waqas, Zaid bin Harsa, Uqba bin Nafa, Zaid bin Harsa. The method of ablution is mentioned in Surah Ikhlas, Ahzab, Baqarah, none of these. Ahzab. The episode of Hijrat mentioned in which surah? Tawbah, Maida, Yasin, none of these. Yasin. Hazrat Ali was martyred in 35 Hijri, 40 Hijri, 50 Hijri, 45 Hijri, 40 Hijri. The commander of Muslim army in the battle of Qadisiyah was Hazrat Ammar bin As, Saad bin Abi Waqas, Zaid bin Harsa, Hazrat Abu Ubaidah, Saad bin Abi Waqas. Which wives of Holy Prophet titled as Mother of Poor? Hazrat Khadija, Hazrat Maimuna, Hazrat Aisha, Hazrat Zainab bint Khuzaima, Hazrat Zainab bint Khuzaima. Heads of Zakat are mentioned in which surah? Tawbah, Maida, Yasin, none of these. Tawbah. Hazrat Umar was martyred in which month? Shaban, Ramadan, Muharram, Safar. Muharram. Shab-e-Mi'raj incident took place on 27 Rajab, 20 Rajab, 20 Ramzan, none of these. 27 Rajab. The book revealed on Hazrat Dawood al-Islam, Tawrat, Quran, Injil, Zabur. Zabur is the right answer. Who started the system of Islamic calendar? Hazrat Umar, Hazrat Ali, Hazrat Hamza, Hazrat Jafar, Hazrat Umar. Khatibul Anbiya is the title of which prophet? Hazrat Musa, Hazrat Harun, Hazrat Shoaib, Hazrat Uzair, Hazrat Shoaib. Ghazwa Tabuk was fought between Muslim and Jews, Romans, Quraysh, Egyptians, Romans. Zakat was completely enforced in 2 Hijri, 4 Hijri, 9 Hijri, 8 Hijri, 9 Hijri. Who is called Umr Sani? Hazrat Umar bin Abdul Aziz, Hazrat Umar bin Khattab, Hazrat Umar bin Abdullah, Hazrat Umar bin Saeed, Hazrat Umar bin Abdul Aziz. Who was first Asian to translate Holy Quran into English? Abdul Majid, Yusuf Ali, Mirza Abu Fazl, none of these. Mirza Abu Fazl. Which prophet is known as Sheikhul Anbiya? Hazrat Adam, Hazrat Ibrahim, Hazrat Nuh, Hazrat Dawood, Hazrat Nuh. Which was introduced by Hazrat Umar? Cut hand, imprisonment, cut finger, all of these. Imprisonment. Teeth of Holy Prophet martyred in the battle of Uhud, Khandak, Tabuk, Badr. Uhud. Abu Jahl was killed in the battle of Uhud, Yarmouk, Khaybar, Badr. The word Muhammad, peace be upon, as a name mentioned in Holy Quran 4 times. Which prophet of Allah had minimum age? Hazrat Isa alayhi salam. Salat-e Khusuf is performed at the occasion of lunar eclipse. Which Ghazwa is mentioned in Surah Al Imran? Khaybar. What was the name of slave who traveled to Syria with Holy Prophet? Maisra. What is the meaning of Israel is the title of Hazrat Yaqub al-Islam. God contented, which was made obligatory on Miraj, 5 prayers. Which companion of Holy Prophet seated the Holy Quran in front of Najashi, Hazrat Jafar? Which angel is appointed for providing food? Hazrat Mikail. Ayatul Kursi is part of which surah in Holy Quran? Al-Baqarah. Name the prophet who is contemporary of Hazrat Ibrahim al-Islam. Hazrat Lut al-Islam. Sheikh Abdul Qadir Jilani buried at Baghdad. Who first time recited Holy Quran openly in Haram Kaaba? Hazrat Abdullah bin Masud Raziyallahu Ta'ala anhu. Name the prophet who introduced the science of astronomy. Hazrat Idris alayhi salam. What was the age of Hazrat Ibrahim when Hazrat Ismail alayhi salam was born? 86 years. Which Sahabi suggested Dijj in Ghazwa Ahzab? Hazrat Salman Farsi Raziyallahu Ta'ala anhu. How many years Holy Prophet spent in Makkah after prophethood? 13 years. How many Muhajirin participated in Ghazwa Badr? 68. How many Umrahs did Holy Prophet performed in his life? 4 Umrahs. How many Hajj performed by Holy Prophet in his life? 1.